Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing my mom's Sunday Akara recipe with you guys. This is like a must Sunday breakfast in our house back home in Nigeria, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my mom's special Sunday Akara with you all. Okay, so let's get started. So to make our akara, we're going to start by washing our black-eyed beans, which I'm going to be showing you the easiest and simplest method to do that without stressing out your hands. So I'll add in my black-eyed beans into a water and allow it to sit for about 5 minutes or more. So after allowing it to sit on the water for 5 minutes, I will add a little amount of the beans and add in a lot more quantity of water into the beans. So I'm going to be using the lowest setting of my blender, and I'm going to roughly blend this, like just turning it for 2 seconds for just 4 to 5 times. And that's it. You're not going to be blending the beans, you just want the peel of the beans to go off. So if you want a detailed video of how to wash the beans, if you're not satisfied with this one, I have the link showing you more detailed on how to wash your black-eyed beans. So after doing that, I will go ahead and run my tap water and use it to rinse out the shaft from the beans. So with this method, you're not going to be squeezing the beans with all your energy. All you have to do is just go ahead and rinse off the excess shaft from the beans. And you're going to rinse these beans for about 5 or more times to get all the shaft out. And after rinsing it, your beans is ready to start making your akara. So guys, before we start with this recipe, before we start blending our beans, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it so you will never miss any upload from this channel. So right here you can see that my beans is well cleaned and ready. So right here I have my already washed beans, and I have 1 onion, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 2 spring onion, which is optional, and I have here 1.5 long sweet chili pepper that I'm going to be using to blend these beans. Yes guys, so this is our Sunday special, and I'm going to be using my vegetable oil to fry the beans. So I will add in the onion, the sweet chili pepper, which is also known as tatashe in Nigeria. So I will add in my crayfish, which is optional, but I love my crayfish, so I'll go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of crayfish. And I'm going to be blending this with just a very little amount of water because you don't want your akara mixture to come out very runny. So after blending this is what the consistency look like. So I will add in just a pinch of salt to start. And I'm going to be using my hand whisk to whisk these beans for just about 8 to 10 minutes to incorporate air into it and make it fry more easily. So I'm going to be whisking it now for up to 10 minutes. And also, if you do have your electric mixer, you can also use this to whip it up for just about 3 minutes to 4 minutes, so it will incorporate air into it. So now I will go ahead and test my batter, and it needed more salt, so I will add in more salt at this moment and keep on whisking the beans. So right now I will transfer in my pot into the fire, and I will add in my vegetable oil that I'm going to use to deep fry my akara. I'll preheat the oil, and when the oil is ready, I'll go ahead and start scooping my beans into the oil. So guys, at this moment you have to make sure that your fire is on a medium-low heat because you don't want your akara to come out burnt and not well cooked. And you also want to make sure that the oil is hot enough to cook the akara and not to make the akara soak up the oil. So after scooping in your akara, you're going to give it just some few seconds, and at this point you're going to get your stick or your fork, anyone, and just go ahead and start turning up the akara so the other side can also cook. So guys, at this moment, I'm just going to say a big thank you to you all, my old and returning subscribers. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much for your love and support, all your comments and likes on my videos. You guys are amazing. And also, I'm going to say thank you to you that just click on my video. You're welcome to Lydia Isaac TV. I hope you're going to be part of the family. I hope you're going to click on that red subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you will never miss any delicious recipe from this channel. So guys, at this point my akara is well fried and ready to go off the oil. So I'm just going to use my sieve to take it off the oil and put this in my newspaper. Yeah, I had to get a newspaper from the kiosk shop so I can use it to bring back those memories of having my akara on the newspaper on Sunday morning. Oh my goodness. So right now I'll go ahead and start frying the other batch of my akara, and my hot water is already boiling. If you've been part of this family, you will know I love my akara with some nice custard. Yes, so my hot water is already boiling and I'm going to be making some hot custard to enjoy my akara. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I appreciate you all here and I hope you're going to be trying this recipe. I hope you're going to give this video a big thumbs up if you do find it helpful, and I hope you're going to subscribe if you've not yet done so after watching this delicious recipe that I just shared with you all. Till I see you on my next recipe, do have a lovely day, do have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.